So how the flippers did we go from typing like this to the clean elegance of this? So it all started back when Python was a young child and was still borrowing ideas from its older sibling C. It was the 1990s when Guido van Irizim had just released Python, and the language needed a way to format strings. So rather than reinventing the wheel, it just looked over at C and borrowed the modulo operator. This was the so-called printf style, named after C's legendary printf function that had just been doing the same heavy lifting since the 1970s. You would just try something like this, and Python would swap in your values.
Like a good boy it is.
Sure, it worked, but juggle enough variables together and things get messy fast. By the mid-2000s, the Python community knew it was time for something better. Python 3 was being designed from the ground up with a bolder and clearer vision. And also, in 2008, alongside Python 3, the stringed-off format method arrived. Suddenly, you can write something like this and actually breathe. You could reference variables by name, by position, with padding, with precision. Like, it was genuinely a cleaner step in the right direction. But the real glow-up, that came in 2016 with Python 3.6 and the arrival of the F strings, formally introduced through PEP 498 by Eric V. Smith. The idea was almost radical in its simplicity. What if the variables just lived inside the string? Right then, just a bang of F at the front. Just chuck in those curly braces around the variables while you're at it. Yeah, that would be lovely, innit?